not in competition with our young people here. We build them. Nothing gives me greater joy to see young people occupying positions. So, Liam, what are you saying when people say you are bored? Over to you.
Thank
Take
you.
your time.
No, this is now a video call between me and the Patriots.
Yeah, sure.
All right? That's all it is. But I'm going to share something after I've said what I said now. I'm going to share something that's very personal. I just shared it now when we were in the Thanksgiving service. But when people say that I was bought, it says to me that people are saying that I don't have a concrete value system. It says to me that people are saying that I wasn't raised right, as if you can buy a person. And when press says a thing like that is racist, it's absolutely racist, because it then comes to say that colored people can't decide for themselves where they want to be. They must now decide based on money. We can go where money is, because what's implied behind that now is that people are saying they also don't have their own. They are always going to be dependent off of where money is. And that is something I want to put straight. My parents, my mother, my grandmother, my father, all of these people worked so hard to raise me into what I am today, and worked so hard to instill values in me that come from the Bible for me to be bought in 2025. It was never ever going to happen. It didn't happen. In fact, this entire decision is a decision that comes from here, because you can't fake a decision like this. And when we are doing the Thanksgiving service now, I shared something that I never shared on the internet before, and I'm going to share it again. The day before I got sworn in as a member of parliament, this is a story that I haven't shared. The day before I got sworn in as a member of parliament, my mother was crying. She was crying. We had to share a room at the hotel, because that's where Parliament booked everyone in. And I didn't know what was going on with my mother. I didn't know why she was crying. But my mother was crying because she said that she had lost her son. And I asked why. She says, you're starting to talk like them. You're starting to be like them. You're starting to act like them. And she says all of this, and at the time, I didn't know what she was saying. But she had assured me that the prayers of a mother is prayers that go directly up to God's ears. And God takes them seriously. So when she did that, when she told me that, I didn't understand it. But now that I'm here, now that ek hier is, saam met mense, I understand what she was praying about. And I understand it with my whole entire heart. And I say that to say, a woman that loves me so much was never ever going to raise me with values that are as fickle as what people on the internet are suggesting. With values that are as fickle as what people in comment sections are suggesting. That's the first thing. The second thing is, there's people that are now saying also, jy is nou stil gemaak. Jy is nou gekoop dat jy stil gemaak is. That you can't say anything anymore. That your social media is now, hulle het jou plat gemaak. Not the case. Nou is ek worse. Because previously, I could only do oversight in 8 provinces. Northern Cape, Northwest, Free State, Eastern Cape, KZN, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, and Limpopo. Now, I can go and do oversight in the Western Cape as well. Now, I can be honest with the videos that I was doing. And I'm going to go everywhere in the Western Cape as well. Because not all that glitters is gold. It isn't perfect. It is very, very far from perfect. Our people are still living in poverty. Our people are still sitting without jobs. Our people are still walking into sewer that is flowing into their houses. Our people are still living with informal settlements that is set up with illegal immigrants, wherever they are. These are things that I'm going to be showing now. And Prez also said it's wherever. Wherever. Whether the DA is governing, whether the ANC is governing, whether we are governing. Ek kom kyk julle almal. Ek is net so. Ek kom kyk julle almal. Ek kom vra my, wat skud hierso? Die hond lyk my is baie los hierso my. Dis die tussens was in die nie my. Because we are honest in this party. We're transparent in this party. So I'm going to be looking everywhere. Julle gaan nou alles sien. As die swembaddens in Northwest wat hier in die Weskaap is. As die paai in die Northwest en Northern Cape wat hier in die Weskaap is. Die goed is dieselfde. Because when you compare to what's going on in other parts of the country, you compare it here, it's like comparing bad with worse. We're going to compare everything, and we're going to show everything. And that's why I want to say, everything that's going on here, everything that's going to happen from this point onwards, is not a toned down version of Liam Jacobs. This is Liam Jacobs on max volume. Because there's people around me now that are saying, be yourself, be who you are. And that is the Patriotic Alliance. That is why there's many people in the country that are looking at the Patriotic Alliance and saying, I want to come to the Patriotic Alliance. Because this is an organization that actually represents everybody in South Africa. You can see it. So that's why I'm happy to be here. And you can see, ek glow sommer. Kyk hoe shine ek. Praise, ek shine. Ek shine. Ek het nie Vaseline opgesit nie, maar ek shine.
Ek het Vaseline op. Ek shine. Listen, you heard for yourself. You know, Liam is going to... For me, I'm actually very happy that there's PA Mayers. I'm not going to stop him. He must go. In fact, he told me that he's going to go to a place Tuesday, and it's one of the PA places. I'm not even going to stop him. He must go and expose so that those leaders there, the PA leaders, must know. We want honesty. We mustn't stop him because he'll make us better as the PA. When he goes and expose places, particularly I will encourage you to go to PA places where there's PA mayors, where there's PA MECs, so that we can expose our people and say, hoekom werk julle nie? Liam het vir ons dit gewys. You mustn't just look at DA or ANC. You must go where the PA is. Because how will they become better if we, as ons, hulle goed is toesmeer? There's places where the PA is also in charge. You need to go and help us to make those people better by exposing them. And I will encourage you to start with your first one when you go out. Please start with the PA area of your choice. And tell me, as the leader of the PA, what is it they are doing there? No fear, no favor. Because if we say we love South Africa, we mustn't just do politics, you know? We mustn't just do politics. Politics is dirty, you know, Liam. And we can't let politics destroy you. So if you expose PA leaders, I love that. Because then those leaders must answer to me and to the leadership and to the SG and to the national chair. Why is it that you guys don't fix the things that Liam pointed out? And that's what I wanted to say. We must not hide our shortcomings and act like the PA is perfect. No. No. And we're going to have, it's true what you're saying, Pastor Leo, it's going to be in Saldanha. We're going to welcome Liam after the welcome in Kimberley. Yeah.
I just want to say on that, you know, this is also a personal thing, that in my personal relationship with God, I felt like I was drifting. And it's because at the DA meeting, you don't pray before the meeting. You don't do anything like that. Jy bid nie.
Nee, hier bid
ons laat dit dry, né? But personally, it feels like this is all also bringing me closer to God.
No, it does. Let me tell you.
When I was in the Thanksgiving service today, my heart.
Amen.
Yes.
Die gees van die Here, the Spirit of the Lord was moving. And I'm saying to you today, on the life of my own children, you must do oversight at PA areas. And if I or anybody gets angry, then we are not true leaders. You must go for them, Liam. You must go. You will have a free rein to go and help me fix sports in this country. You must be the people's hope and tell me even where I'm lacking to say, but Minister, you need to fix this. Why didn't you fix this? And I want to say it here on the live so that people record and keep these things for tomorrow. As ek sê, ja, nee, Liam moet gaan. He exposed no for PA. And guys, let me tell you something. With PA, There's no PA meeting that there's no God. You just don't understand how happy you made me by saying that. There's no PA meeting where there's no God. You know, this thing is real, man. You know, I've been in PA meetings. You know, it's like, I remember I had a meeting in Nelson Mandela Bay. And while I was talking, the Spirit of the Lord just took over. And I burst out in tears. I burst out in tears. I never thought I will. But the Spirit wanted to show me that you just clay. You just clay. And for me, nobody brought me tissue. When I asked them afterwards, why didn't you guys bring me tissue? They're like, we were also crying. Everybody was crying. But, you know, like, there's so many people that prays for the well-being of this party. And you that goes against them. Die plan wat die Here het vir hierdie party. You know, I can't wait. I tell you one thing about that people don't know. I can't wait for you guys to come lead the party. So what I'm saying is that we are so grateful for the life of Liam. We want to say thank you to his parents. But I just need to have this life to say this thing where people are coming, you are bored, and this one's insulting me. These are nobodies, man. Yeah? These are nobodies. These are people that nobody cares about. Even in the DA, they don't care about them. Even in the DA, they don't care about them. They're just using them to attack their own people. Most of them will be out of a job next year. And we will be there for them. And that's what I want to say to you. It's like I said to Liam, be free. No pressure. The pressure he was under for his age is not good. Then you have old men like that, Chief Whip, Maralakis, Michalakis, coming to say, tone down. Nou, wat praat jy weer nie? I will never speak to Liam like that. Neither will the SG. Neither will Leader Mary. All that we want to do, we want to sit back. We always talk about it with Mary and them. We want to sit back and see the new leaders taking over and going forward. You know how much joy that will give us. And I'm saying today, mark my words, here is a leader. Let me tell you, I will be proud if my daughters can have a person of Liam's caliber leading them, a person of Devonay's caliber, a person of Ivan's caliber, a person of Ombiza's caliber, a person of Sharifa's caliber, leading them. We've got layers and layers of people. We don't push people into leadership quickly. I mean, PA, there's no meeting of PA that must start without prayer. Now, Patriots, hulle oë sal oopgaan. We've had so many people from the DA that joined us. Today they're in positions. I can think about John the Brain in Free State, Danny Netno in Joburg, Basil, Petrus. Ja, ek kan aan baie mense dink, man. Now you know, Liam will come back to Parliament. But he must go through the PA oven. And him and Ombiza, I'm telling you now, so you must keep me to it. They're going to lead our parliament there. Maar jy moet eers deur die oond gaan. Die smeltkroes. As hy daar uitkom, yeah, he will be able to lead the Patriotic Alliance in Parliament. Imagine in 10 years when he's 35, hoe warm gaan hy is. He's al klaar. 4 warm. Imagine hoe warm gaan hy wees uit het. So Liam is coming back to Parliament, not immediately. He's not coming there to be a backbencher. He's coming to lead Parliament together with Ombiza. Leader Marlon is the chair. is there to make sure we have direction with Umbiza. But the chair has met many work, many different types of stuff he might need to come and do with the party. So we asked the chair to hold on. The chair wanted to leave already. We said, no, hold on, chair. Let's first put this talent in the oven. So now you know, Liam is coming back, but not at your time of the DA. Hulle gaan hom net opmors. Hoe gaan ons hom opmors? Hy kom nie terug as 'n backbencher nie. He's coming back, and you'll see. There's knowledge. Let him work with Leader Charles. The party has chosen Leader Charles to mentor Leader Liam. Charles got 4 or 5 degrees. He understands life. He understands the PA. He's a co-founder of the PA. Liam will walk next to Charles. The first instruction we gave him as PA, study further to Liam. That's what we told him. He's here, he can tell you.
Go get your masters. Go get your masters.
We said to him, go get your masters. That's what we told him. That's the first and only instruction other than relax. You don't need to prove anything. He said, go get your masters. Because ons ken wat bou ons hier. 'n Helsende son.
Nice person.
So that they can't test it, yes. And then, Patriots, I just want to say to you, more on PA business. Get yourself at a by-election. But I love you guys. I love you a lot, Mathagant.
Big love. Big love.
We love you, and trust me, now you know, Liam is coming back to Parliament, not immediately. He's first going in the PA oven. Hulle sal nie die oven verstaan nie. Jy sien hoe skerp is Umbiza. Hy ding was so stomp soos 'n potlood wat die punt het. Maar kyk hy ding vandag. I send him to meetings. Ja, Umbiza, kyk ek het al hy man uitgeskel. Ek het al Umbiza het ek self onder my hande gevat, and I look at him and I'm so proud. I'm truly proud of Umbiza. Ek het hom al gefeier op 'n live, van 'n live af. But because he's a vollende Patriotic Alliance member. You look at him today. I look at him, I'm so proud of him. And he's not the only one. I can show you people that I'm so proud of.